What have I been up to the last month? I know. I haven't been very active here, and there are several reasons for that. And that's what I want to tell you today in today's video. Thanks a lot to my patrons, to all my Ko-Fi supporters, anyone who likes, shares, comments. This really does help a lot. And if you're ready, let's get started. There has been a lot going on this year. There was the grief for my cousin. She passed away in December, and I'm also still grieving. It's very hard. I think life got back to normal, but then I have moments in which I really do think of her a lot, and it's just so sad when someone so young passes away. It's horrible. And so this has been something that has been on my mind a lot. But also there have been changes in my life. After this tragedy, it just seemed like life stopped. But actually, my life changed very quickly after that happened because I got pregnant. I'm now in my week 31, now recording this, and I will be giving birth, if all goes well, in October. And I'm very, very excited about it. It was, of course, quite difficult at the beginning because I was grieving very intensively, and then I found out I was pregnant, and so it has been a very intense year. At the same time, at work, they asked me if I could work 5 days a week because something happened, and I was like, yeah, sure, I will. And so I have been working more and had less time for YouTube. I was also not always feeling well due to my pregnancy. And also at the same time, I have been working on my Catalan course. It has, I think, 40 videos, maybe 35, I'm not sure. It's something I've been working on, and I've been prioritizing my Patreon. So I've published almost every 2 weeks there on Patreon, and haven't been publishing here so much. So that's what's been going on. So I haven't been very active. In the summer, I also wanted to enjoy my vacations and take some time off. I really want to get back to YouTube more frequently. And I'm really thinking about creating, Catalan content for my Instagram page, maybe more laid back, more direct, maybe without subtitles, because subtitles are one of the things that take most of the time. And maybe here on YouTube focus more on multilingual stuff or just things in English. Basically, I do need to think it through and see what's the most effective way for me to continue, because of course when the child is born, then I will have even less time. And it's a beautiful project. I love, my YouTube channel, and I think I will have a lot to say regarding, language learning and when you have your own baby. and I do have my ideas on how he's going to grow up linguistically. I think he will have something that I didn't really have, which is really growing up multilingual. Well, I grew up like bilingual, but in his case, I think it's even more interesting. But then again, for me, it's not about, getting some academic advantage. It's more about being able to communicate within your family. And our family is multilingual, so I do think it makes sense for him to learn several languages, and apparently it's quite easy for children. We will see. I know it's not without challenges. A lot of kids who grow up multilingual, they start, answering in other languages and stuff like that. So we will see. If you know any book about this topic, I would actually like to read it. And yeah, so that's what's been going on. You can check out my Patreon page. I have some videos there. If you become a patron, you will get a discount for the Catalan course. The ones who've been long-time patrons and have been supporting me for many months and years, they will get access for free to the Catalan course. So that's also like an extra advantage. And yeah, you can go check it out. My plan is, like I said, to continue also with my podcast, my Patreon side. And also, I will publish my Catalan course soon. I will talk about it here. And another project I'm working on, I'm trying out the app Tandem. I had never tried it before. It's exciting. So I will create a video soon about that. So stay tuned. And yeah, looking forward to hear how you're doing. I hope you're having an amazing summer. I hope you're doing well. And I hope to see you very soon. Bye bye.